Right, we've got a Diamond Mini owl here. I'm going to change the nib on it for a stub 1.5, which I suspect, strangely enough, is no longer available. So if you want this one, snap it up quick. There we go. So we remove the original nib simply by unscrewing it. It is the simplest thing in the world. There we are. We release the new nib, and we could just screw it on like that and we'd be done. Don't over tighten it, you might break the plastic, but instead of doing it that way, here we go, what we're going to do is get the correct sleeve on. So this should just pull out, there we are, and this will just pull out, there we are. Pop it back on, a snug fit, and screw this back on again. And now we have this mini owl reunited, well, not reunited, united with the new nib and the correct section. It's the easiest thing in the world.